Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading Wealth by Anur. I had released lot of videos. I intend to release lot of videos regarding technical indicators and how to play price chart. My first video on this series was what are technical indicators. So I have given a short explanation on what are technical indicators. I made this video technical indicators ATR. Now I intend to start from the beginning, from the scratch, and first thing we will do, we will try to understand charts. What kind of charts are there and how many types of charts are there and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the chart. Thereafter I intend to make videos on averages, bands, ATR, DMI, CCI, MACD and etc. Okay, so first thing I will request to you is please do subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to share, appreciate, like my videos so other benefit too. Other people should benefit with this knowledge. So let us start with charts. First, basic. If you don't have any knowledge, first you must have a charting software, or if you have a charting software, you must have what it is called live feeds, live rates, live data. Okay, or if your broker is providing you with a inbuilt software, then you can do it for free also. So here you see I am using this platform and everything is inbuilt. First thing first, to make a chart you need to acquire price. Any chart is made up of three things: price, volume, and if it is a future and option chart, then it will have what we call open interest. Now this is Nifty. Now what is happening in this Nifty chart? You only have one data, that is the price only. You only have the price chart because this is index. The moment I make it Nifty futures, it will have three kind of data. Okay. Three kind of data. One data is the price, another is volume, and then there is an open interest. So we will not go into the volume part right now. I will make another video on volume and open interest. Now let me write it down over here: volume, then open interest. So I will make video on this. Now let us understand the charts. Basically the charts are divided into two groups. One, the chart which measures the time plus price, and there are few charting system like Renko and point and figure which measures only the price, not the time. I will come to this on later part. First let us understand a simple line chart. What is a line chart and what it does? The line chart only take the calculation of the closing. It doesn't take into the consideration the highs and low, so the line chart is a lagging chart. First thing. Now majority of, if you see, people are using the candle chart. What is a candle chart? I will make a complete video on lot of candle patterns if time permits. We are not going into the details right now. Basically we are trying to understand the different type of charts. So this is a candle chart. What candle does, if you have selected a 15-minute chart, every candle represent a 15 minute of two things: the time and the price. Two things, time and the price. As the 15 minutes get over, you will get a new candle. The green is represented by the positive opening compared to the opening, positive closing to the opening, and all red candle represents the closing in minus compared to the opening. I will repeat again. First, what a candle does, it shows you the opening of the price. This is the opening. Now red candle, what does this mean is the closing was below the opening, and how much? In price, not in percentage. It is in price. This is percentage chart, this is price chart. Okay, this is price chart. You can see over here on the right side it is showing the price, and on this axis it is showing the time. If I click over here, this converts into percentage, but the candle shows the price. There are two axes, one showing the time and here it shows the price. Confirm? Now what happens, every candle shows another two datas. One data plus where the candle opened and when the candle closes. Now if you can see these sharp points, it is after opening the price went over here and went down to the opening and here was the closing. So candle represent four price datas, one the opening, one the closing, another the low and another the high. If you see over here this candle, this was the opening, market went up. If you can see this wicks, this is called a wicks, candle wicks. Okay, then it went down, the candle converts into red and this was the bottom, there was a buying and here the candle closes. Every wick on the top side, every wicks on the top side shows the selling pressure and every wicks on the bottom side shows the buying pressure. If you see this candle, here the candle opened, it went up, there was a selling, it turned into negative, the color is red and here you see it converts into a strong sell off, again the buying emerges and the market and the candle close over here. There are different patterns which we'll understand in the candle video. So basically first we took a line chart. Line chart doesn't represent the high or low, it only represents the closing of the price. Here you have option of 1 hour, you have an option of 1 day. See, here if you correct a candle, this each candle will represent a 1 day. If you select say 15 minute, 3 minute, each candles represents a 3 minute. My whole point is, in candle you have two datas. First the price data, another is time data. These are the two most used chart system. One is line, another is candle chart. Another not much used, but there is a system called bar chart. Bar chart again what it does, it shows the opening, high, low and close. Same as candle, but presentation form is a different. Again a Chinese system, candle is also a Chinese system. Now this charts, if you see, this is a different group. What this group does, say I will select point and figure chart. This is a point and figure chart. Point and figure chart doesn't measure the time, it measures the price only. All charts in this group, which is Renko, line breakup, Kagi, point and figure, only measures the price movement, not the time movement. This is a major difference between this group. Another difference is the Renko, line break, Kagi and point figure are ATR sensitive. It takes into calculation the same as ATR. So what does this mean is, point and figure chart calculates two things. One, price movement, another is ATR. The moment the ATR changes, there is a movement in the market of more than average ATR of 14, this tick will change. Here every green is represented that the market was moving up compared to the ATR. Here the market is going down compared to the ATR. The ATR average of here I have selected 14, it is by default. So it take into calculation the 40 ATRs. Okay. So another important difference between these two systems is, all technical indicators, whether it is MACD, I will make definitely a video on this, it is a system itself, works well in candle charts compared to point and figure charts. You see, here there is no data. See, here there is no data. But if I change this 1 hour chart to the candle, I have a data, MACD data. So if we conclude this video, what we have learned from this video, to make a chart, first you must require is a price. Okay. Then what you require is what time frame you want. You can select a time frame from here depending on your trading styles and requirement of your needs and what kind of returns you want, how much time you want to stay in the market. Then there is a two way of presenting a chart. One is time based, and here you have ATR based. Candle is a time based chart. It measures two things, time and the price movement. In price movement, it gives you four important points: opening, closing, high and low. The candle chart. Line chart, it gives you only one data, that is closing only. Line charts are used to find out patterns in the chart. You see, this is a head and shoulder pattern. It is easily visible in line chart. But if I make a candle chart, there is a confusion. This part is missing because there was gap down. Because the line chart measures the closing only, you see this is a clear head and shoulder pattern in Nifty 1 hour chart. So friends, basically there are two groups in making charts. One is ATR sensitive, another is time sensitive. The disadvantage of ATR based charts are they don't perform, the indicators don't perform well, at least in my software, on ATR based charts. But what is the advantage? It cut out all the noise. You just have to see, this is a Renko chart. Every time there is a red, you have to be in short, and the moment it comes to this, it means that the trend is over. You wait for the fresh trend. Here see, it is showing only green. You don't need to short. Okay. So this is a Renko chart. Another is point and figure chart. Another is line break chart. And another system use is Kagi chart. Kagi chart shows supply and demand. As you can see over here, this is a head and shoulder formation. This is the head and this is the shoulder. Head and shoulder formation. And you can see market is in supply. If market is in supply, why will you take positive position? Why will you take a buy position? You will take short position only. So this is the advantage of the ATR based chart. ATR based chart measures two things, price and the volatility. Now line chart measures two things, price and time. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.